Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about something exciting. How to start investing with just $100. I'm here to guide you on this financial journey. Why bother investing with just $100? Well, every journey starts with a single step, and the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Let's dive into the strategies. First up, micro-investing apps. Apps like Acorns and Stash let you invest your spare change automatically. That $3.50 coffee? The app rounds it up to $4 and invests the extra 50 cents for you. Next, exchange-traded funds or ETFs. With just $100, you can buy shares in an ETF, spreading risk and getting started in the stock market. Consider dividend stocks. Find companies that pay regular dividends, a bonus for owning their stock. Reinvest these dividends to grow your wealth. Another option, robo-advisors. These platforms create and manage a diversified portfolio for you, making investing accessible to everyone. Lastly, high-interest savings accounts. While not traditional investments, they offer a higher interest rate than regular savings accounts, a low-risk option for your initial $100. Now, for some quick tips to make the most of your $100 investment. Tip 1, be patient. Investing is a long game. Give your investments time to grow and avoid daily checking. Tip 2, educate yourself. Knowledge is key. Resources like can help you build your financial understanding. Tip 3, diversify. Spread your $100 across different investments to minimize risk. And there you have it. How to start investing with $100. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with others. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, happy investing.